here is the PIR sensor, and this is the temperature and humidity sensor with lightness. And this is the gate sensor. Here is the remote control, Zigbee hub. Here's the scene switch. These three is Wi-Fi switch. Here is the dimmer switch. Now I will show you the display. Open the dimmer switch. Here, this switch is for this first room. And this button is for this LED bulb. This switch is for this room. This switch is for the bedroom. You also can control it with the apps. Here for the scene sensor, we make a living mode. One button to turn on all the light. One button to turn off all the light. This is for the dinner room. Okay.